Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome back to my channel and to this week's project. We are going to do a sun catcher today. I've already laid it out. I've come up with the design that I want and I've put the beads in the order that I want, laid it out, and we're just going to connect it on the video. This bead along with these three was on a necklace, and these three green beads, the cat's eye beads along with the round cat's eye beads, were on another necklace that I found in my last, it was the first video of my last jewelry drawer on my other channel. I'll leave a link to that. I will also insert pictures of the two in case you don't want to go watch the video. But I'll leave that link to the video in the description box in case you do want to go see it. So, to save time, like I said, I've already laid it out. We just need to put it together. So, I hope you all are having a good day, and I hope you enjoy this project. So, we're going to start with the bottom. This is a pretty heavy bead. So, this will be our anchor at the bottom. Hopefully it will catch some light. Looks like it will. I'm going to try this again. I'm still learning, so we're going to use the same 1.5 millimeter loop. Oh, let's put that back on there. Yeah, I forgot to do something. Oh, I can do it with my manual pliers. I forgot to twist it to straighten that up. It's still not as straight as I would like. Also not as round as I would like. Okay, it's a catcher. It's good enough. And we're just going to keep doing that. These beads are glass. These beads, I believe, are acrylic. So, anyway, the only thing that I am supplying is the head pins, or the eye pins. I don't know why I keep wanting to call them head pins. All of the beads were found in jewelry drawers. So, let's see. Now, you know, I pull this toward me to straighten it out. There are instructions on the back of the card that comes with the tool, and it says to go away from you, but that just doesn't seem right. This is what straightens it up, pulling it toward me, not away from me. And then I need to close that up a little bit. And then we still need to tweak it. Well, okay. Well, I'm going to continue doing that, making the loops, and then when I come back, we'll hook them all together and put on some chain and or rings or something so we can hang it up. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll see you back here in a little bit. Okay, that didn't take very long, and I've got the sections. I could have done this with beading wire and just strung them all together, but I don't know why. I just wanted it segmented. I don't know if it would create more flow, more movement. I don't know, but this is the way I chose to do it. Maybe we'll do another one if this one turns out okay. And we'll do it with just the beading wire or monofilament or something. I don't really like working with monofilament, but if it's going to be outside, I think that's what I would choose to use. Alrighty, well, with that, let's go ahead and open up these loops and we'll get everything connected. Okay, and the only thing I failed to mention, I think, was these were all eye pins that I used for the inner section, and I used for the very bottom, of course, was a head pin because it's flat. Unless we wanted to drop something else off of this one, then I would use the eye pin. So I'm going to open that up, and this is how we do it. And then we're going to open this one up by grabbing the end and pulling it toward, if you can see that. So, and whoop. And then we close it up the same way but in the opposite direction. We just grab the end. These small parts are sometimes hard to hold on to, and then just bend it back in to itself there. Open. Insert the new section. Grab that end and close it back up. Oh, isn't that pretty? I like that. I've never made a Suncatcher before, but I got one in a jewelry jar a couple videos back, and it was pretty. And I guess anytime you've got sun all year round, but this is kind of the time of year. Alrighty. Especially if you hang them outside. You know, you've got more daylight, and well, this is going to be rather long. So I just alternated between the faceted crystal bead and the cat's eye bead. And I think this, which was not on either one of the necklaces but was from another piece, I think it kind of ties in more with the blue in this larger piece. And this is glass. These are glass, but the tiny little, these beads are not. Last one. All right. Well, you can see it's going to catch the light. Very nice. Alrighty, then we need to put something, since it's already rather long. Wait a minute, I see one that's not closed up real good. Oh, better. I have two things here that we can try to incorporate. Here's a necklace that if it were outside it wouldn't matter because this thing is really messed up. You know, it's got a lot of wear, but, and the clasp is bad. But we could get, oh my, these are all got a lot of wear on them. Do we want just one, or do we want two? Or I also have this one. This you would have to put over something like a rod or a hook of some kind. This you could pretty much hook onto another ring of sorts. Which one? I don't like that this is so worn, these rings here. But let's get a better idea of what it might look like if it were, in fact, on here. I don't think we need this many. Okay, we have this. Like I said, if we just want to hook it to a rod, but I'm going to take this off and I'm going to add this in case we have something else that we want to attach it to. Like I said, this is my first time making one of these. Does that look odd with that ring so big? Maybe I should just do that. Yeah, I don't think, although this is, I don't think I like this ring, so we can't remove it. So we have to open these two up again. We'll use this ring for something else. Just not for this one right now. Let's close this up. Alrighty. This is broken, but we'll save the parts. Now I just need to find a place to hang it from. Yeah, I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. So, anyway, we're going to keep it simple this week, and I hope you did enjoy this. And I've got lots of beads. This is a good way. If you want to see one done with just the beading wire, let me know that in the comments also. We'll make up a few different kind. But that's it. So until the next project, I hope you all take care, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.